Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. I want to show you a new project that I just finished, and it's not a mini album and it's not a journal. It's a purely decorative item, and it's based on folding pages in a book to form a design. And this has been going on for a long time, and there are quite a few tutorials on YouTube that show how to accomplish this. But basically, you're taking a book and you're folding the inside pages to form a design. There's no cutting involved. So let me just show you the outside of the book. So this is going to stand up like that. So the outside, I've covered the book covers with some scrapbook paper, flower, a little butterfly, and some black lace along the top. And I have a little flower and butterfly on the spine. And the back is just plain with the paper. And it ties with a ribbon on the front. Now here's the design part. This is shaped like a heart. And this is a very simple pattern to do. There are quite a few tutorials based on the heart because it's easy to do as a first project. This is the first one that I've done. And I've used 90-degree folds, so the pattern is replicated at the top here. But there's different ways of folding it. And if you search book folding on YouTube, you'll see lots of videos. I made this pattern myself. It depends on how many pages you have in your book to determine how to create your pattern. And I just drew a heart on my computer, and then I printed out my pattern using that. So that's my little book, and I put a little flower here. And as you can see, this can close like that, and the ribbon just holds it like that so that it forms the heart, and it can just sit on a table. And I have a little butterfly on the inside here. And I thought this would make kind of a neat little gift for Easter or something like that. It's got nice little mauve colors in there. Anyways, I will be listing this in my Etsy shop if anyone's interested in purchasing it. But I encourage you to look it up on YouTube. It's a really fun hobby. And it's a great way to upcycle some used books that aren't being used anymore. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.